Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to view someone's TikTok story without them knowing. Sometimes you might want to check someone's TikTok story without leaving a view behind. One quick method I've tested starts inside the TikTok app. Open TikTok, tap Inbox, and you see the stories from people you follow. Before opening the story, turn off your mobile data and Wi Fi, then switch on airplane mode. Now go back and watch the story while your device is offline. Because the app can send viewing activity to TikTok servers, your view is usually isn't registered. After watching, close TikTok completely, then turn your internet connection back on before reopening the app. Another option is simply logging out of your account. Go to your profile, open settings and privacy, scroll down and log out. From there, you can browse TikTok in guest mode and view stories from public accounts without your name appearing in the viewer list. Just remember, this method won't work if the account is private. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.